Hey guys, Pizza Love here. This is episode 2 on how to code a Discord bot, and today I'll be showing you how to make a command handler. Now, the type of command handler that I'm going to be showing you is to make it so your server.js file isn't super compatible, super full. So you're just spreading out the code and all that into like these mini files, like, let's just see, help. So it's like, it just makes it so the serve.js or index.js or whatever is just, yeah, all better. So, to first start off, we need to open up the command prompt that we have the bot hosting on. Now we're going to do npm install --save, then fs. Now, while that's doing that, we're going to do const fs equals require fs. Pretty basic. Now, so now that we got that, we're just going to do that we're just going to do this right up here. Const command files is equals to fs dot read dir sync. Then for this, we're just gonna have it as commands. Now dot filter file arrow file dot ends with .js. So if the file ends with .js, it would then get that all. Now for const file of command files, const command is equals to require, then we're gonna do these types of brackets. Brackets? No, like quotation marks or whatever. And dot slash command slash file. Client dot commands dot set command dot name command. And now okay, so now we just mainly need to create the folder called commands, and now let's create a new file. Let's just do help.js. Then we're just gonna do const discord is equals to require discord.js const prefix is equals to that. Now module dot exports is equals to that. The name of help description is help command. Then we're gonna make this a sync file. Execute message args. And for now, we're just gonna say message.channel.send test. Oh jeez. There we go. So now we need to just go back over to our serve.js And then we just need to, we could do this rating to here, I guess. So right after that, we just need to do if message.contents.to lowercase is equals to prefix help. It will just do client.commands.get, then just it'd be help.execute message args. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that should be it. If I just do node serve.js, so const, I spelled const wrong. Try it again. Can't read properly as set. Line 16. Did I forget to do something? Oh god, what did I forget? Okay. You know what? I'm pretty sure it's just client.command is equals to new discord.collection. There we go. Now if we do help, oh, we got an issue. Line 31. Args is not defined. Did I really forget to define args? I guess I did. So const args would equal message.content.slice prefix dot length dot trim dot split. Oh. Now, okay. It should now work. There we go. Okay, so now that works, well, that's basically it for this. It's just a simple video to then show you how to make it so stuff isn't as complicated. And so, yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!